Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I have a job to do. Just look at this. Look at this wiring hanging. Goodness. Just look at the fan. Still working though. It's clogged with a lot of deposit in it. And look at the light. It's corroded. Look. It's hanging by the thread. Oh God. Yeah. And you imagine it's going in there. What a plover. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. Oh my God. What is it? I have to look into this. A lot of junk inside. My goodness. What should I do? Oh God, I have to work that out. Oh, it works. Oh, it works. But it's what a shamble. Don't know what it is. I have to work that out. Oh my goodness. Okay, never mind. Thanks God for that. At least I got a job now to do.